Beijing Wistron Technology Limited was established in 2011, providing a large range of traffic safety products, especially solar road studs, solar traffic signs, solar blinking lights, and other traffic warning products like traffic cones, speed bumps, flexible warning posts. Our factory integrates design, development, production, and marketing. It has more than 25 employees, including 5 professional designers and engineers, and 2 production lines producing more than 30,000 pieces solar road studs per month. We welcome OEM and ODM, and already helped many customers to get satisfactory design and products. Our products have obtained CE, SGS, IP68 testing certificate, and meet the European and American ASTM D4280 and EN 1463-1 related standards, and they are exported to more than 200 countries and regions such as Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, America, Ireland, South Africa, and so on, and widely praised by customers all around the world. The purpose of our company is to protect your safety by providing customers with high-quality products in fast delivery time and professional after-sales service on the basis of mutual benefit, and to provide customers with effective solutions quickly when they need. We warmly and sincerely hope to create stable and long-term cooperative relationship with customers to accelerate the development of the industry and to make the world safer. Choose Wistron. Choose a professional partner.